What's going on, guys? Mickle here, and in this video I am bringing you an XRP technical analysis update. Guys, in the last couple of days XRP has been bleeding out pretty heavily along with the rest of the crypto market. Despite this, we've actually seen a pretty nice recovery in XRP, and in this video I just really want to go over what we need to see in the coming weeks to make sure XRP will continue to trend in the right direction and where I think the price will go from here. If you guys are new to this channel or come here all the time, make sure you like this video down below and subscribe to my channel. It's going to help me out so much in the YouTube algorithm and help more people like you see this video. Anyway, guys, with that said, let's jump right into it, and I hope you enjoy the content. Alrighty guys, I want to keep this video quick, but I want to show you a couple charts so you know exactly what's going on in the XRP chart right now. So over the last couple months, we've really been watching these two symmetrical triangles play out and really pointing out the similarities between this current pattern playing out and this one that played out in the past year. XRP tends to be very reactive to these symmetrical triangles, and the price can get extremely parabolic when it breaks out of it. Over the last couple of weeks, we've seen XRP actually fall out of the original symmetrical triangle we had drawn over the past couple months, but I've been pointing out on this channel that a large reason why XRP has seen the negative price action it has is really because of a larger sell-off in the entire crypto market, really driven by Bitcoin. When Bitcoin sells off hard, we tend to see a lot of the other alternative currencies under it sell off harder or equally as hard in their respective markets. Because of the massive sell-off we saw in Bitcoin, we saw coins like XRP take a pretty massive hit, and I have a feeling this is the reason we saw XRP fall below this bottom support line. I've been calling out in my videos recently that I fully expect XRP to quickly recover out of here and hopefully back inside of the symmetrical triangle so we can get back onto the pattern that we've been watching play out. We can see XRP is currently having a very nice recovery and is starting to form what looks like a V bottom recovery. We found some very nice support down in this 92-cent region, and we can see we found support back here as well. I fully expect XRP to recover in this region and begin moving back up to the upside back inside the symmetrical triangle. Another pattern I want to show you, and a reason we could have found this support, is because we have seen in the past that XRP will fall above this top support line and will get saved by this bottom support line right under it. We can see this pattern developing right here and saw that the same one actually played out back here in this very similar looking symmetrical triangle formation. We can see right here, although the main trend line for the support line was this top line right here, we can see this bottom line did offer support a couple times throughout this entire pattern. It looks to me like this is exactly what we're seeing play out over here, except on a larger time frame. We can see that XRP found very nice support here, and judging by based on everything we saw on this past pattern, we'd expect XRP to in a couple days move very quickly back into the symmetrical triangle, because that is what happened every single time back here. Because of that, if I was to draw this on the chart for you guys, I would really expect XRP to maybe chop around a little more in here before moving back into the symmetrical triangle and putting us right on track for a breakout towards the end of the year. We know when XRP breaks out of symmetrical triangles like this, the price gets extremely parabolic, and I've pointed out this one back here, which I'll show you on another chart, but rallied over 1,400%. We want to make sure in digital assets like XRP that have the ability to get parabolic very quickly that we are accumulating on dips like this one and not buying as the price explodes to the upside. We want to average into our positions with time so we can really accumulate them to the maximum we can and not be FOMOing in as the price goes parabolic. For that reason, I've been using this dip right now as a buying opportunity. And this really comes based on the fact that I believe we are still fully within the symmetrical triangles we are watching. Another chart I wanted to show you is just XRP on the weekly, and we can see if we take a look at it like this, we can see that it is very obvious that XRP is still in this symmetrical triangle pattern, and we can see that it's actually finding some nice support right around here. What I really want to see XRP do on this chart, and let me just find my tool real quick, is move back up into this middle zone right here and hopefully start pushing back on this top resistance towards the end of December, maybe early January. I believe if that happens, we will have a massive explosion to the upside and will likely put us in the $10 region. This seems like a massive pump for XRP right now, but we know most of the other crypto market and other top cryptos like Bitcoin are already well past their former all-time high in 2018. And because XRP really is a top-tier digital asset, we would expect XRP to make a similar movement. I do not think a movement to all-time highs is far-fetched at all, and I think until XRP reaches the $10 to $11 range, it is actually still very undervalued in the market we are in. We see similar coins with similar adoption and similar technical abilities like Bitcoin and Ethereum well past their 2008 all-time high, so I don't see any reason why XRP couldn't get here, especially if the legal FUD with the SEC was to clear up. Another chart I wanted to show you guys is actually XRP on the logarithmic chart. We can see right here XRP is actually, over the past 10 years or so, been in a massive bull trend. And if we take the XRP chart from back in 2017 and really measure to where it is now, we can see that XRP is up about 20,000%. This is pretty slept on, and I see a lot of people who don't understand that one of the reasons why it's hard to understand charts like the XRP chart is really because of how parabolic we get. If XRP was to have just slowly grinded upwards over this entire time, it would have looked like there was absolutely no bear market, and XRP would have been one of the best performing assets of all time over the past 6 years. It's just because the price got so parabolic and people really don't zoom out enough on their charts that they have a hard time understanding how bullish of a chart XRP actually has, and really it just takes the logarithmic scale to really understand the percent moves that XRP has made over the last couple of years. I think we are very close to XRP going on another rally similar to the one we saw back here, based on the fact that there's so much bullish news going on for XRP right now, and the fact that XRP could be right around the corner from being one of the best digital assets in the crypto sphere, with full clarity given by the SEC, whether it's through a lawsuit or not. Either way, a good outcome for Ripple, which looks like what we are going to have, would be extremely bullish for XRP and allow a whole bunch of investors into the market that were not able to come in beforehand. Anyway, something else cool on this logarithmic chart is just how incredible these triangles are really forming. We can see that we had a bullish pennant right here, a symmetrical triangle which had a decently sized break to the upside, but we are seeing an even larger one play out right here, and I believe this price is going to get extremely parabolic when the time comes for this chart to finally move. XRP is in a very bullish formation right now, and it's very encouraging to see the recovery we've been looking for. I really want to see XRP move back into the symmetrical triangle in the coming weeks. I think it's highly likely this happens, but we're just going to have to watch closely, and I'm going to keep you guys updated on all the big moves. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you leave a like down below, comment what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much in the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for coming, and for now, Mickle out.